Yeah.
So I've done 2 cases. Not calling it. I've done. Those were 2 hard cases. Court calls case people versus Travis Oliver.
Ally's on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Oliver, who stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Travis Oliver. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today's the day and time set for a bench trial. My client and I are ready to proceed.
And the people are ready to proceed as well, Your Honor. And I did want to put on the record that there was an offer extended for the defendant to be charged with the prosecutor's deferred, and it's my understanding he's rejecting that offer.
Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, let's roll.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right, sir.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, the people would first call Carolina Elise.
All right, are you waiving
We're
open?
waiving open, sorry, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waiving opening?
No, Your Honor, defense would also waive opening.
All right, very good. Ma'am, come forward and be sworn.
Testimony about the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help God. See, thanks for your first and last name for the record, please.
Can you spell that, please?
Oh, Carolina Aliste.
L-I. All right, very good. Main inquire.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Do you know a Travis Oliver?
Yes.
How do you know him?
We are married, currently separated.
Okay. And if you saw Travis Oliver today, would you recognize him? Is he in the courtroom?
Yes.
Can you briefly identify something he's wearing and where he's sitting?
Wear black.
Your Honor, please let the record reflect that this witness has made an in-court identification of the defendant.
Without objection, the record shall so reflect.
Thank you, Your Honor. So I'm going to direct your attention to January 20th of 2025. On that date, were you at 4975 Washtenaw Avenue?
Yes.
And is that in Ann Arbor?
I think it's at sea. I'm not sure.
And is that in Washtenaw County,
Yes.
Michigan? Okay. And on that date, did something happen that made you contact police?
Yes.
What happened?
We were exchanging. But my daughter, he was dropping my daughter off to me, and he was upset. And caused a big scene, damage to my car. And then proceeded to follow me, or pretended to follow me to a certain extent. I was scared.
Okay, so let's go back to when you say he damaged your car. How did he damage your car? What happened?
He parked right next to me, and opened his door as hard as he could. And his door damaged my passenger front door, dented it, and the paint peeled.
And were there pictures taken of this damage?
Yes.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness of People's Proposed Exhibit 1?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. And what did I just hand you?
It's the picture of the damage.
And that's a fair and accurate representation of the damage to your car caused by Mr. Oliver?
Yes.
Your Honor, the people would move to admit People's Proposed Exhibit 1.
No, Judge.
Exhibit 1 is admitted.
And maybe publish it to the court, Your Honor.
Yes. Just hand that to me. Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead.
And do you expect this damage to cost money to fix?
I believe so, yeah.
Objection, sorry for the late. Your Honor, I would ask to strike the witness's testimony as to speculation.
That it would cost money to fix?
Think it will cost money to fix. I would object as to speculation, Your Honor.
I'm not sure even how to deal with that. Objections overruled. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, one moment, Your Honor. And what kind of car do you have?
It's a 2020 Ford Explorer.
Okay. And when he arrived at the location to do the custody exchange, how did you know he was upset?
As soon as he approached, he was shouting from the car. When my daughter was bringing her things in the car, he was just shouting. I could tell that he was upset.
Okay. I have one more moment, Your Honor.
You may.
And your vehicle is registered to you?
Yes.
And did you give him permission to hit your vehicle with his car door?
No.
Okay. Nothing further from the people, Your Honor.
Cross-examination.
Thank you, Your Honor. Morning, Miss Elise. Am I pronouncing your last name correct? Elise. Sorry, I apologize for that. My name's Natalie. I'm an attorney for Mr. Oliver. I just have some questions to follow up on your testimony. And to be candid, sometimes I can be kind of a loud mumbler. So if you need me to repeat any of my questions, not a problem at all. So turning directly to January 20th, you testified that you two met at the gas station for a child exchange that night.
Yes.
And this was the BP on Washtenaw Avenue.
Yes.
And it was typical to do child exchanges at this BP, correct?
You said typical?
Typical.
Typical, yes. Yes.
And at that time, you and Travis were separated.
Yes.
And as of today, you have since filed for divorce. Is that correct?
Yes.
And prior to the filing for divorce, you were married to Mr. Oliver for about 9 years or so.
Yes.
And at the time of January 20th, there was no sort of court-ordered custody arrangement or anything, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And then turning back to January 20th, you told the police that when he arrived that day, you thought he was already amped up, correct?
Correct.
He was mad about you cheating,
That's what he claimed.
and he was also mad about a trip that you had taken over the holidays with your kids to New York.
He knew about the trip. He was not mad about it. No.
And this was a trip he didn't go on, correct? And he believed you had met up with a guy on that trip?
Not at the time.
Relevant.
Your Honor, this goes to what he was allegedly mad about on the day that she already told.
I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Sarge, I don't remember if my question I fully asked or answered, but he believed that you had met up with a guy on that trip?
Not at that incident. No.
Okay. But on January 20th, he was mad at you about perceived cheating?
I don't know why he was upset. He gets mad just because. I had no clue why he was upset.
But did you tell the police on that day that he was mad about his perceived cheating?
He was shouting at me that I was cheating with, he stated a random name.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
Gotcha. I'll move back, or going back to January 20th, sorry. You told the police that during the interaction with Mr. Oliver, you were in your own car this entire time, right?
Correct.
And Mr. Oliver didn't at any point try to open your car door, correct?
No.
And he didn't at any time try to reach into your car in any way?
No.
And you also told the police that on this day, there were no physical assaults by Mr. Oliver of any kind, correct?
Correct.
And you testified today that your property was damaged, the car door.
Yes.
Did you have this damage since repaired?
No, I haven't.
Have you gotten a quote from any professional on how much this repair might cost?
I haven't.
And since January 20th, when you're out and about in your car or going places, have people that you know, have anyone mentioned this perceived damage to the car door to you, or has it been noticed by anyone else?
Yes.
And you testified that it was Mr. Oliver's car door that caused this damage to your car door, correct?
Correct.
And he never threatened verbally that he was going to damage your car at any point, correct?
No.
And this took place at night, correct?
It was evening, like 7-ish, 8.
Was it dark out?
Yes.
And this car door, your testimony was that it only hit you, Mr. Oliver's car door only hit your car door once, correct?
He opened the door, hit it, and then pushed it even more to kind of like that, I guess, just dent it more. So he opened the door hit my car, and then he gave it like another push.
So there is no video of this incident, correct?
The video of him. But I don't know that, I got the door hurt.
And
So there's a video of the shouting?
Yes.
has that been provided to the people?
No.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Is the video available?
Yes, my phone.
Okay, so I think, counsel, that's probably, it looked like a surprise to both parties, but I think that's gonna have some bearing on what exactly was going on. I would suspect that both sides may want to look at that.
Yes, this is the very first time hearing this from anyone, Your Honor.
I think I said that. I think Ms. Zenda had the same surprise, so.
We have not seen this video or.
All right, so do you have your phone with you or?
My purse, yeah.
All right, so why don't we do this? Why don't I take a break and you can show that to prosecutor and to
Okay.
counsel, all right? All right, court's gonna stay. Back on the record in the case of People versus Travis Oliver. Ma'am, I just remind you simply for the break that you're still under oath. Kate, you can continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Hello again. So I believe where we left off was me asking that there was no video of this incident, and then you made us aware that there was a partial video, correct? And you previously testified, and you would agree with me, I have now reviewed the video. You would agree with me that in the video, Mr. Oliver is seen leaving in his own vehicle, correct?
He was backing out. He did not leave.
And in the entire video of the video, he is in his car, correct?
He was out of the car when my daughter was bringing her things into my car.
But you'd agree with me in the video itself. He was in his car the whole time in the video. And you would agree with me that the video does not at all show him opening anyone else's car door.
Yes.
And the video does not show him opening his own car door at any point.
Right.
And the video doesn't show him closing his own car door at any point, correct?
Correct.
So you'd agree with me that there is no video of his car door hitting your car door. I believe that would be all the questions for me. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Can you redirect?
Just a few questions. Why did you feel you had to start recording the interaction with Mr. Oliver?
Because I was not sure what he was going to do next.
And that video, at what part in the events of the 20th did that video occur? Was it the beginning, middle,
That
end?
was right after my daughter got in the car, we closed the door, and I was getting ready to leave. And he just kept on shouting things at me, so I thought, this is going to keep going, so I should record it.
And the video occurred after he hit your car door.
Yes.
Does it? At you in a way that you perceived as being angry?
Yes.
Would counsel agree that's on the video?
I would agree, Your Honor.
I believe she tested or just stated that her opinion was that he was angry at her. I certainly would dispute if that was her feeling. I would definitely take objection to being characterized as Mr. Oliver yelling or screaming at all in the video.
Okay, so is there a reason I'm not seeing the video?
I would have no objection to its admission. I was
would have
not
no
moving
objection.
for its admission, however.
I mean, if you don't want me to see it, I'll just, oh,
We could-
that's fine, but I mean, part of, it seems to me in this is one's motivations for doing what they're doing, so.
So you took a video on this date, and did you provide the video to the prosecutor's office today?
Today.
Today.
Yes. Yes.
And was the video you provided the video we were just discussing?
Yes.
And Your Honor, the people would,
You have cable? Is there a cable down?
yes.
If I may, the police officer that came to help, she saw the video from the gas station. She went to the gas station and saw the video, but I don't know what happened to that.
From BP?
Yes.
Is there any is there any indication that that was preserved?
I have not seen the BP gas station video.
Pardon?
I have not seen the BP gas station video, Your Honor. I don't believe that was.
I have not either. I do not believe either party has it. And this is a proper proof to the court and review the body cam video of that office of, in my review,
Your
of
Honor.
the body cam video of officer talking to that attendant. I do not believe that that video has ever been turned over. to
And it was not
prosecution.
mentioned in the report, Your Honor, the video.
Okay. All right. She's ready.
Is what's on the screen, is that a fair and accurate representation of the video that you provided today?
Yes.
Your Honor, the people would move to admit people's proposed exhibit 2.
No, there's not.
Exhibit 2 is admitted.
Maybe publish to the court, Your Honor.
Yes.
I think my volume. Oh. Your Honor, if I could have one moment.
Pardon?
I have one moment, Your Honor. And Your Honor, I did want to correct the record. There was mention of the BP gas station video, but I do not believe we ever received that video.
And I would agree with Ms. Zenda that I do not believe that the prosecutor's office has ever received that. And I haven't certainly reviewed it. And based on my review of the other discovery, I would not be surprised if the Pittsville Township Police Department also have never received it either. They tried.
Well, it mentions the video. But-
Yes, Your Honor, in the report, but we never received a
Does
video.
it exist?
I'm not
So-
That's the question.
This might be a little clunky, but frankly, in the review of the body cam video, the officer did speak to the gas station attendant who said, I can submit that to you likely tonight. I don't know if it's gonna be during his shift or after. He said it saves in our system for 7 days. He would have to be sending it to an iPhone. And the video, the body cam ends with the promise that he was gonna be sending the video.
To the police.
Yes, so I don't know if they ever received.
No. So why don't we contact the police and find out if they have the video?
I can call the officer. Your Honor.
All right. Why don't we do that? Was there any other questions of this witness? All right. Any questions?
Nothing
No
further, Your
questions?
Honor.
Okay, you may step down. And while you guys try to figure that out, we'll take a brief break in this and figure if we have the video. Otherwise, I'll just call it on. Is there going to be any more witnesses for the people?
None from the people, Your Honor.
All right, at this point. And I will wait to ask if there are witnesses for the defense until we figure out if the video's there. Okay. All right, so I'll pass on this matter. I'll take care of some other matters and let's figure that out, and then I'll come back to it. Hey. But I don't have,
Yeah, the one we have.
attorney for Bodman here yet? Oh, oh, there she is.
All your. The only affirmative case left.
Black.
Yeah.
So no dismissal came in on
No, I've received the other 9. This is the only one I have not received yet.
that. All right. You guys ready? Arbor One West and Arbor One versus Rico McGuire et al.
Ellis Friedman for the plaintiff.
Okay.
Henry, I'm the defendant.
Okay.
Randy Barker, city attorney for non-party city of Ypsilanti.
Okay.
And Travis Gagne on behalf of Beal Properties.
All right. Where are we?
Your Honor, you ordered and kind of, we all agreed to have a meeting to try to work on a schedule and a plan and some deadlines and so on for permitting, construction, inspections, et cetera. That meeting took place yesterday at City Hall, and it was, I would say, very productive. Schedules were set forth, agreed upon. Protocols were set forth and agreed upon. We're shooting for, I think it's the 20th. Well, could I let Ms. Gordon-Leeman do the particulars?
She's gonna talk anyway.
Okay. We'll let her start right now.
Yeah.
So, yes, I was it was very productive, good progress made, everybody left the meeting saying the same thing. We went through, I know one of the things